In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddles. Tutorial 2026. Slack Huddles are quick, lightweight audio conversations that live right inside your workspace. Think of them as an instant way to talk things through without scheduling a meeting. They're great for fast decisions, troubleshooting with a teammate, or walking someone through a file while you both stay in context. Start by opening the direct message or channel where you want to meet. You can do this from the Slack desktop app or in your browser. Pick the place that includes the people you want to talk with, whether that's a one-on-one DM for a private chat or a team channel if the discussion should be open to your group. This keeps the conversation and any follow-up messages together in the same spot. If you're in a busy channel, it can help to briefly say you're starting a huddle so others know they can join if it's relevant. Next, click the huddle control to begin. You'll see a small panel appear with your audio controls and participant list. Huddles are audio first, so you'll jump in quickly without a long join process. Everyone in the DM or channel will see that a huddle is live and can join with a single click. Keep an eye on your mic indicator to make sure you're heard clearly, and if you're in a shared space, consider muting when you're not speaking to reduce background noise. If audio sounds off, try switching your microphone or speakers from the small device menu in the huddle controls. You can also resize or dock the mini huddle window so it stays out of the way while you work. When you're ready to show something, share your screen or turn on your camera. Use the screen share button to present your entire screen, a specific window, or a single browser tab. Choosing a single window keeps distractions and sensitive information out of view, which is especially helpful when you're working with confidential content. Narrate what you're showing and move at a steady pace so others can follow along. If someone else needs to drive, they can start sharing from their side, and you can switch back and forth as needed. To make things more personal, turn on your camera with the video button. A quick on-camera moment can help clarify tone and speed up alignment. If your background is busy, consider a neutral setup or a subtle blur to keep the focus on you. And that's it. Open the right DM or channel, start a huddle, then share your screen or turn on your camera to collaborate in real time. With these basics, you'll keep conversations fast, focused, and productive.